The salary hits on the first, $900. You stare at the number for a second. Then the notifications start. EMI, gone. Household expenses gone. Parents' medical bills, gone by the third of the month. The account is empty. Same number, same bills, same result. Every single month, you put the phone down, and one thought hits you that you never say out loud. My family deserves better than this. You've been telling yourself that for 2 years, but nothing has changed. Meanwhile, somewhere out there, someone is making 9.2K every single month from a kid's animation channel, simple 3D cartoon stories, no office, no boss, no salary that disappears in 48 hours. You open your laptop, you try to figure out how. But every workflow you find has 15 complicated steps, different tools, different skills, different software, none of it built for someone working with $900 a month and zero spare time. You close the laptop. Channel just earned another 9.2K USD this month, and you're still staring at an empty account. I know that feeling exactly because I was sitting in the same place until I found one single prompt that creates a complete kids 3D animation story video from script to final video, one prompt, one tool. Done? Let me show you exactly how. Visit anijam.ai, link is in the description below. Sign up, and here's something worth knowing before you do anything else. The moment you create your account, AniJam gives you 500 free credits instantly, no payment, no credit card, just sign up. And it doesn't stop there. Come back every single day and check in. AniJam adds another 100 credits automatically. That's your entire first video, completely free. Log in, and the first thing you'll see inside the dashboard, inside the inspirations, real examples of what AniJam can create. Take a moment to look through them, because what you're about to build looks exactly like that. Now, here's where the magic starts. One prompt, that's all we need. But before we enter our prompt, I must tell you that you can do this entire process right now on your phone or can downloading AniJam app. Now simple, type this into the prompt box. Create a 3D Pixar style animated kids short film set in a warm, colorful Indian village. You can pause the video here and read the full prompt. Hit send, and just like that, you're inside the AniJam agent canvas. You'll see one message on screen. Agent is working, and it is. Within seconds, AniJam asks you to choose your mode. 3 options appear. Director mode, the beginner-friendly option. Everything is handled by AniJam AI itself. No decisions, no complexity, just results. Workflow mode, for advanced control. If you want to customize every step manually, this is your option. Oscar mode, for creators who want to turn one idea into a master-level script and cinematic video. For this tutorial, we're going with director mode, beginner-friendly, fully automated. Perfect for your first video. You might notice Cdance 2.0 Mini is already selected as the recommended video model. This is the right choice for this workflow, but if you want to switch models, you can do that right here before continuing. Hit confirm. AniJam, agent starts thinking again, and now it asks you to set up your video, audience type, platform, aspect ratio, audio mode, and finally, your video duration. Set everything according to your preferences. Then hit confirm again. Your settings are locked in. Now AniJam asks you one important question. Do you want to co-design with AniJam AI, or do you want AniJam to take all the decisions? For this example, we're choosing AI decides. One click, AniJam takes the wheel, and within seconds, something remarkable appears, a complete story direction preview, along with a visual tone anchor. So for the exact look and feel of your entire video, you'll see these options. Just select option A, use this, and the real production begins. AniJam now works on something bigger, a complete story outline built automatically in seconds, and what it produces will surprise you. Project positioning, 1-sentence story, core appeal and hook, audience question and theme, main characters, conflict and stakes, full plot outline, visual memory points, every element of a professional animated film, planned, structured, ready from one single prompt. Next, AniJam presents your visual style options. For this kid's moral story, we're going with Pixel Pop 3D, warm, colorful, Pixar-inspired, perfect for a young audience. Now comes concept design. Within seconds, AniJam generates the key visual concepts for every character, every prop, and every location in your story. Here's what we have. 2 main characters, 4 locations, 1 prop, 7 concept images total. Now you have a choice. Generate all 7 at once, or test the first one before committing. Let's generate the first one. Within seconds, your first concept image is ready. Look at the detail, the lighting, the style. This is your film taking shape. Now click generate the remaining 6. This takes a moment. And when it's done, your complete visual world is built. Every character, every location, every prop, all locked, all consistent. Now, Anijam asks one final question before production begins. Are you ready to move to video generation? Click Start Video Generation. Within seconds, your segment plan appears. 7 scenes, 15 seconds each, 105 seconds total. A complete kids animated story, planned frame by frame. Now, generate scene 1 first. Let the first clip load before committing to all 7. Within seconds, scene 1 is ready. Let's preview it. Scene 1. That is a 3D Pixar-style animated kids scene, built from one prompt, in under a minute. Now click Generate all remaining 6 segments, and within seconds, every scene is ready. All 7 clips, all consistent, all done. Now click Generate Narration, then select a voice and generate narration. Anijam recommends the best voice for your story. Click to preview it.
Hey, I'm Ruby Roo, and you can hear a smile in every word I say.
Not feeling it? Switch voices right here, but trust the recommendation. It's matched to your story's tone and audience. Hit generate. Within seconds, your complete narration voiceover is ready. Now click Generate BGM, background music, create it automatically, match to the mood of your story. Once BGM is ready, click Render Preview Video, and that's it. Your complete kids 3D animated moral story. Let's preview it.
In a sunlit Indian village, young Arjun hears a faint chirping sound nearby. While his friends enthusiastically call him to play cricket, he discovers a small sparrow with a broken wing and gently picks it up with care. Day after day, Arjun tenderly tends to the injured bird.
Full video, built from one single prompt. 7 scenes, narration, background music, a complete animated story, ready to publish. And Anijam doesn't stop there. If you're on PC, you can fine-tune everything using the Add Media to Timeline option. Add clips, remove clips, rearrange scenes, all inside Anijam's built-in timeline editor. For example, I found the BGM volume a little too high. Click the BGM layer, reduce the volume right here, done. Once everything feels right, hit Advanced Export. Your video is ready. Now here's what I want you to think about. You just watched one prompt turn into a complete 3D animated kids story in minutes for free. Kids animation channels are among the highest earning niches on YouTube right now. Some channels are making $9,200 every single month from simple animated moral stories. Same style, same format, exactly what you just built. The only difference between you and those channels, they started. If you start today, your first video could be live this week, and your first dollar could follow shortly after. Anijam AI is free to get started. The link is in the description. Sign up now before this tool gets too crowded to be your advantage. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. Small creators like me run entirely on your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it, because every video on this channel is built to help you get closer to the income your family deserves. And if you want to see how simple stickman videos are earning creators $35,000 every single month, you cannot afford to miss the video above. See you inside.